Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Fitness for Transformation. My name is Juan, and today I'll be guiding you through a beginners-friendly HIT booty workout. This routine is 5 minutes long. Let's go ahead and get started. First up, we have squats. Let's go ahead and get ready to start. We're starting in 3, 2, 1. Send those booties back. Come nice and low. Squat, driving your weight up through your heels. Make sure that you're inhaling on your way down. Exhaling on your way up. Help yourself find your strength through your breath. Keep your chest and your head up. We have a couple seconds left of this move. Great job. Take a 15-second rest, and then we're moving forward to calf raises. We're gonna stand in place, and we're going to come up on our toes and tap right back down and come back up. If you need some assistance, find yourself a wall and use your arm to help you balance yourself. We're focusing on a nice calf activation, holding at the top, just coming down and coming right back up. Continue focusing on your breath, breathing in through your nose and out through your mouth. Engage your core to help you with your balance. Great job. Take another 15-second rest. We're getting ready to move on to up downs. We're starting on our knees. We're gonna step up and back down, alternating our legs, which we use to step up with. Here we go. Come down to your knees. Starting with left leg coming up, left leg comes down. Right leg comes up, right leg comes down. Alternate and repeat. Left, left down. Right up, right down. Left up, left down. We have a couple of seconds left here. We're getting ready to move on to a 15-second rest. Great job, guys. After this, we have a squat walk side to side. We're gonna go ahead and start here on our side in a nice squat position, and we're gonna squat walk side to side. Here we go. Widen out that stance, send that booty back, and we're walking in a squat side to side, keeping our chest up, focusing on breathing in through our nose and out through our mouth. Nice clean squats here. Last couple of seconds, and we're moving on to a 15-second rest. Great job, guys. Go ahead and rest for 15 seconds. But let's get down to the ground and get ready for our next move, which is donkey kicks. Stack your joints, strong tabletop. We're gonna send that leg up, engaging our glute up at the top, holding before coming back down, and repeating. Keep your core engaged. Focus on that glute activation at the top before coming back down. Great job. Take another 15-second rest, and we're switching sides. Nice deep belly breath, helping us bring our heart rate down. Here we go. Switching legs here. Left leg comes up, come back down, and repeat. Engaging our glute up at the top, helping our booty engage before coming back down. Focus on that core engagement as well. Great job. Take another 15-second rest, and we're getting ready to move on to our last move, which is going to be glute bridges. We're going to lay flat on our backs, our knees come up, and we're going to lift our booties up like so. Engaging our glute up at the top before bringing it back down and right back up. Exhale, bring that booty up. Hold that glute up. And on your way down and repeat. Last couple seconds here. Great job, guys. That concludes today's 5-minute HIIT workout for your booty. If you enjoyed today's routine, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit subscribe. I post instructional fitness routines every Monday, Wednesdays, and Thursdays. And I look forward to seeing you next week. Thank you for watching.